Instant noodles, a culinary marvel, a college dorm staple, and a quick meal solution for millions worldwide. These humble packets of noodles have found their way into the hearts and homes of people from all walks of life. Whether you're a busy professional, a student burning the midnight oil, or a family looking for a quick and satisfying meal, instant noodles have become a go-to option. These pre-cooked wonders have become a global phenomenon, transcending borders and cultures. The convenience and versatility of instant noodles have made them a beloved food item in countless countries. From the spicy ramen of Korea to the savory flavors of Japanese udon, instant noodles come in a variety of tastes and styles, catering to diverse palates. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the vibrant markets of Lagos, instant noodles are a common sight. Street vendors in Bangkok serve them up with a twist of local flavors, while in New York, they are a popular late-night snack. The adaptability of instant noodles to different culinary traditions is truly remarkable. Instant noodles have carved their place in the hearts and stomachs of people everywhere. They are more than just a quick meal, they are a cultural icon, a symbol of comfort and convenience. Families gather around steaming bowls of noodles, friends share them during late-night study sessions, and travelers find solace in their familiar taste. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these curly, convenient delights are made? The journey of instant noodles from raw ingredients to the final product is a fascinating one. It all starts with simple ingredients like wheat flour, water, and salt, which are mixed to form a dough. This dough is then rolled out, cut into thin strands, and steamed to perfection. Join me on a culinary adventure as we unravel the fascinating journey of instant noodles from simple ingredients to the billions of bowls enjoyed each year. We'll explore the innovative techniques used in their production, the creative flavors that have emerged over the years, and the cultural significance they hold in different parts of the world. So grab a fork or chopsticks, and let's dive into the world of instant noodles, where every bite tells a story. Our journey begins with the heart of the noodle, the dough. This simple mixture of ingredients is the cornerstone of what will become a delicious, satisfying meal. The process starts with the careful selection of high-quality wheat flour, which is essential for creating the perfect noodle texture. Factories dedicated to creating these edible masterpieces often resemble scenes from a modern-day Willy Wonka production. These facilities are equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and staffed by skilled workers who ensure that every batch of noodles meets the highest standards of quality and taste. Giant mixers whir and churn, transforming humble wheat flour, water, and salt into a smooth, elastic dough. The mixing process is crucial, as it develops the gluten network that gives the noodles their characteristic chewiness. This step is meticulously timed and monitored to ensure consistency across large batches. This carefully calibrated blend ensures the perfect texture, firm enough to hold its shape, yet tender enough to absorb the savory broth. The dough is then allowed to rest, which helps to relax the gluten and makes it easier to work with. This resting period is just as important as the mixing, as it contributes to the final texture of the noodles. The process is a delicate dance between art and science, with experienced noodle makers carefully monitoring every step to achieve the ideal consistency. These artisans understand the nuances of dough making, from the precise measurements of ingredients to the exact timing of each stage. Their expertise ensures that every noodle produced is of the highest quality, ready to be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. Once the dough has reached the perfect consistency, it is rolled out and cut into noodles. These noodles are then dried to preserve their freshness and extend their shelf life. The drying process is carefully controlled to prevent the noodles from becoming too brittle or losing their texture. Finally, the noodles are packaged and ready to be shipped to kitchens around the world, where they will be transformed into delicious meals. From the factory floor to your dining table, the journey of the noodle is a testament to the skill and dedication of those who craft them. Each bite is a celebration of the artistry and precision that goes into making these beloved staples of cuisine. So, the next time you enjoy a bowl of noodles, take a moment to appreciate the foundation of flavor that started with a simple, yet expertly crafted dough. Once the dough reaches its peak of elasticity, it embarks on a journey through a series of rollers. These massive machines, resembling oversized rolling pins, flatten the dough into thin, continuous sheets. Picture a pasta maker on steroids. The rollers work in tandem, gradually reducing the dough's thickness with each pass. The result? Long, ribbon-like sheets ready for the next stage of their transformation. Now comes the fun part, giving the noodles their signature shape. The flattened dough sheets travel along a conveyor belt, passing under a series of sharp blades. These blades slice the dough into those familiar noodle strands, their widths precisely calibrated for optimal slurping. But the journey doesn't end there. To prevent the noodles from sticking together and to give them their distinctive wavy form, they are treated to a gentle steam bath. This brief encounter with steam not only separates the strands but also imparts a subtle pre-cooked flavor. Section 5. A steamy affair, the key to instant noodles. The secret to instant noodles lies in their ability to cook in mere minutes. And the key to this culinary sorcery? Steaming. Freshly cut noodles take a dip in a steaming hot bath, a process that partially cooks them and removes excess starch. This crucial step ensures that the noodles rehydrate quickly when hot water is added later, making them the perfect on-the-go meal. Section 6. Flavor burst, the art of seasoning. While some instant noodles embrace a minimalist approach, relying on the savory broth for flavor, others undergo a flavor infusion. Enter the seasoning station. Here, a symphony of spices, herbs, and flavor enhancers dance across the noodles, coating them in a tantalizing blend. From classic chicken and beef flavors to exotic curries and spicy kimchi, the possibilities are endless. Section 7. Drying techniques, from frying to air drying. Now that our noodles are seasoned and ready to go, it's time to remove the moisture and lock in the flavor. This crucial step ensures that the noodles have a long shelf life and maintain their delicious taste until they reach your kitchen. This is where instant noodle production diverges into two main camps, frying and air drying. Each method has its own unique process and results in different textures and flavors. The traditional method, deep frying, involves submerging the noodles in hot oil for a short burst. This method has been used for decades and is known for creating a rich, savory flavor and a satisfying crunch. This creates those iconic crispy blocks of noodles that we know and love. The frying process not only cooks the noodles but also removes moisture, making them shelf-stable and ready for quick preparation at home. Air drying, a newer and healthier alternative, uses hot air to slowly dehydrate the noodles, resulting in a less processed and lower-fat option. This method preserves more of the noodles' natural flavor and texture, offering a lighter and more wholesome eating experience. While air-dried noodles may take a bit longer to cook, many consumers appreciate the health benefits and the more delicate taste they provide. Whether you prefer the traditional fried noodles or the modern air-dried variety, both methods have their own unique advantages. Fried noodles offer a quick and convenient meal with a rich flavor, while air-dried noodles provide a healthier option with a more natural taste. The choice ultimately comes down to personal preference and dietary needs. In the end, the evolution from frying to air drying represents the industry's response to changing consumer demands and a growing awareness of health and wellness. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative methods to emerge, offering a wider range of options for noodle lovers everywhere. So next time you enjoy a bowl of instant noodles, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that goes into making them. From seasoning to drying, each step is carefully designed to deliver the perfect balance of flavor, texture, and convenience. Whether fried or air-dried, instant noodles continue to be a beloved staple in households around the world, offering a quick and tasty meal option for busy lifestyles. Section 8. Packaging and beyond. Ensuring freshness and quality. The final stage of our instant noodle odyssey involves packaging the dehydrated noodles, along with their flavor packets, into individual servings. These compact packages are designed to seal in freshness and prevent oxidation, ensuring that every bowl of noodles delivers that satisfying slurp. Automated machines with remarkable precision weigh, fill, and seal the packages, ready to be shipped to grocery stores, convenience stores, and kitchens around the world.